Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the 12 Days of Christmas DIY series. First, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'd love for you to stick around by clicking that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you don't miss another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I made this really beautiful full tree topper. So let's go ahead and jump right into the video. So I'm going to be starting off with these picks from the Dollar Tree. Some of them have some green in them, and I'm going to be removing those. I'm using some skewers, some zip ties as well. So the first thing I did was to remove all the green from some of the branches with the berries that I was going to use. And I reattached the berries once I removed the green leaves. Next, I attached the two branches together. I'm actually going to be using 3 branches, but in this particular clip, I used 2 branches. And this step, adding the glue, is really unnecessary. You can actually just use the zip ties to put these together, and they'll still be stable. My question for you guys today is, how is your season going? Mine is flying by. Let me know. And then I added a second zip tie to make sure it was secure, because when you're sticking it in the tree, you don't want it to fall apart. And then this happened. I sliced my finger and a nice little chunk of skin fell off, but it's okay. I was able to apply some pressure and put a liquid band-aid on it and an additional band-aid. So now I have a band-aid for the rest of all my DIYs. I guess it just comes with the territory. So the next thing I did was use these rose petals, and I just started creating little flowers around the berries. So I just glued about 3 petals together and made a semblance of a little flower underneath the berries. Next, I had some snowflakes laying around, so I added those also, just again to make it look more full. So I just glued them all around sporadically. And then for the branch and where the skewer was, I added a little bit of this fake snow I had laying around. It's not necessary. If your tree is really full, you won't be able to see the pick anyway, so it's not a necessary step. And then finally for the center, I added the snowflake ornament that the Dollar Tree carries. They have white, they have silver, they have glittery ones. And then I felt like the snowflakes were a little bit bland, so I wanted to match that main snowflake, and I just used some of my flower mesh wrap and added those in the middle. I just cut individual flowers off the mesh wrap, and then I just hot glue them to the middle of the snowflake. I think you guys have seen me do this in my other Christmas DIYs. And this is what the tree topper looks like. Love it so much, so full, so beautiful. I also added some other picks that I had from Walmart to make it look even fuller. So I really love the way the result came out. So you guys stay tuned for the home tour coming up soon, where you will just see how everything came together. I'm just really happy the way these DIYs are coming up, and I hope you guys are enjoying this series and enjoy the video. Let me know in the comments what you thought, and I will talk to you in my next video. God bless and bye-bye.